Hello, so you guys are from South Africa, right?
Yeah,
Which part of South Africa?
KwaZulu-Natal.
Oh, KwaZulu-Natal. There are more foreigners in your country, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah,
You're born and bred in South Africa, right?
of course.
What do you think about foreigners in South Africa?
I think there are too many.
What do you mean there are too many?
Yeah, there are a lot of them. They like South Africa because South Africa is like a UK first stop for them.
Yeah, but why do you this thing called xenophobia instead of attacking your fellow black
What
Africans?
do you call xenophobia? Xenophobia. You know, these things happen in all the countries.
Yeah, but
It's not only South African. It's not right to do it, but let me tell you, it happened even in Nigeria when they chased the Ghanaians. You know,
Okay.
was that not xenophobia?
yeah, it was. But I mean,
So why now South Africa people are so sensitive about it? It's wrong what they did because any human life matters.
yeah, I do understand. But you know, most of the countries they helped you during apartheid, when it was apartheid in South Africa.
We didn't come all of us, plenty of us to come and stay. Only those politicians who were escaping, not like what you're doing now. Just because you helped us, you have to come all over. Most of you, and some of you, they don't even have skills. They just come there and do crime, a lot of crime.
But how do
We
you
have our own criminals, so why do we have to suck up with other people from other countries to come and do crime in our countries?
really?
If you leave your country and decide to go and stay in other people's countries, you need to respect. Don't join those who are doing bad things.
Yeah, but right now you're talking to me. You're South African, and you're in the United Kingdom.
Am I doing crime? I came here as a professional.
But every foreigner in South Africa, they're doing crime. Is that what you're saying?
Most of them, not all of them. They are good ones.
Okay.
I'm talking about those who are doing crime.
Oh, okay. But otherwise, you don't mind other
I don't
foreign
mind. No, I
people
don't
coming
mind.
to your country.
No, I don't mind. As long as you respect, as long as you behave. Don't come and do and add more crime when we have our own criminals. You know, we South Africans are not innocent as well. Like I say, we have our own criminals. If you have your children who are uncontrollable, they cause trouble for you all the time. There's crime. You know, police are coming knocking in your door. Will you take another child who's coming to stay in your child from somebody else's house to come and do the crime as well?
No, I wouldn't do that.
So why it's wrong for us to say no criminals from other countries?
Okay. So when you have been in UK for many years now?
Yes,
You've been in UK for many years.
19, 20 years now.
So are you gonna go back to South Africa?
Yes, I'm going to South Africa. Just that I have my grandkids now here. My kids are married. This is like my second home here. I'll go back to my country. I love my country.
Okay. So in terms of Zuma, the crime, what he did, what do you think about Zuma?
I don't know. I don't have evidence for that. I can't comment.
You can't
That's for
comment.
the courts.
But you respect Nelson Mandela, what he has done for South Africans?
Yeah, I respect.
You respect, and you're proud to be South African, right?
Yes, I'm very proud.
And you'll go back to South
Yes,
Africa.
that's
right?
why wherever I go, I behave well.
Uh-huh.
You know, I don't do bad things like crime or anything because I want to represent my country in a very positive way. Not
Okay.
people say, oh, South Africans, oh, this and this.
Okay, so what do you say about Zimbabweans who are in South Africa? These are your neighbors, right? What do you say to them? What's the message you say to them?
I said, we love you. You are our sisters and brothers. You know, these borders were created for us. We didn't make them. So let us love each other and embrace each other. Let us behave and respect, you know, each other and not do crime. And instead, let us learn from the good things that other people do, you know.
Oh, that's
Don't come and learn. If you came there in South Africa and you suffered a lot, maybe you don't get a job and you join the South African criminals. It's wrong.
Okay.
Learn the good way to survive, you know.
Fantastic.
South Africans who are doing crime, stop making crime.
But they'll never stop. But why do you like this
You
stuff?
know
They
what
like to do?
cause crime? Is poor economy. There are no jobs. There's corruption in South Africa. those who are in politics, who are managing monies, they're benefiting money for themselves. They don't think about the rest of the people who are poor. So people are trying to, to cope. When there's no job, your kids are starving. There are no jobs, and people are living, rich because they are in power positions. You think, because I can't get any help. There's not much help that the South Africa government gives to people who are not managing. You need to eat, basic needs like food, shelter. Those things need to be met first before everything else. That's what makes people go out and steal and make crime and rob the banks and everything, which is wrong. But when you sit down with them, they'll tell you that I wanted to feed my kids. So it all starts with the government. Provide for your people. That's why here in UK there's not much crime, because there's tight security and it's a welfare state. They support their own. They provide houses for people who can't afford proper houses, not just in Castle, what is happening in our country. They provide, meals and money for people to survive, good health care. So that's why the crime is so low. Not that because they don't have people who can be criminals, because they don't have to go out for basic needs, to do crime to meet the basic needs. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll pass the message to every foreigner in South Africa. Talking to a South African lady born and bred in KwaZulu-Natal. That must be Deb inside, if I'm not sure. You Zulu, right? Fantastic. I'll pass the message to every foreigner in South Africa. But let's love one another. Let's treat each other with respect. Killing each other is not worth it. It's just a crime above.
There are good Zimbabwean who come and hustle. They don't do crime.
Even Nigerians, even Ugandans, everyone is okay.
I don't know. I've seen Zimbabweans.
Oh, okay.
Nigerians also, they do hustle, but first people that I've seen that they hustle a lot when they first came, it's Zimbabweans.
Okay.
We're supposed to learn from that. We South Africans who don't have jobs, to learn how people hustle when they don't have jobs.
Fantastic.
And learn from that good behavior.
Brilliant. So what do you say, Siyabo? What do you say thank you in Zulu?
Siyabonga.
What do you say, please, welcome to South Africa in Zulu?
Siyanamkela South Africa, eMzansi South Africa.
What do you say, let's love one another in Zulu?
Masithandane.
Oh, masithandane. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. If you got any chance, we bring you more. You know what it is. PropPem 2222 YouTube channel, you heard me? Thank you very much. I love South Africa. Mandela, Madiba.